Welcome to Gen Hair TV. This is a low-level laser therapy helmet. When you think of lasers, you think of highly concentrated, high-powered beams of light that can slice through anything, like in movies that involve space warfare. That is partially true. High-powered lasers are used to destroy hair follicles, like in IPL, like people who wish to remove unwanted hair, or in the aesthetic world to remove fine lines and wrinkles on their faces, like burning away tissue. However, low-level lasers like the one we have here do not produce heat and are generally used to heal damaged tissues instead, and stimulate wound healing and decrease inflammation rather than to destroy tissue, like promoting self-healing. How well does low-level laser therapy work? Is this for real? Or is it just a load of scientific, deliberately complicated sales gimmick just to make us part with our money? Now, I am not a doctor. In our bodies are many different kinds of chromophores, which are used to determine the color of our skin, hair, eyes, and more. Some of the chromophores in our body absorb light, and those are the chromophores that we are targeting using low-level laser therapy, also known as LLLT. The three different kinds of chromophores we will talk about here are: number 1, melanin. Melanin is your natural skin pigment that determines the colors of your hair, skin, and eyes. Next, hemoglobin. It is a protein that is in your red blood cells that carries oxygen to your body's organs, in this case, to your head. And last but not least, water. Just water. This is found throughout the epidermis and dermis layers of your scalp. These chromophores are found throughout your scalp, and when these chromophores absorb laser light, they stimulate hair growth. How? By increasing blood flow and oxygen, which may stimulate hair follicles. What for? It alters the follicle cell's internal processing, signaling it to start growing rather than dying. The result? It causes weak or thin hair to become stronger and thicker. The good is this: thinning hair will get thicker and healthier. The bad: if an area of your head is already bald, chances are low-level laser therapy will not be of much help, unless you perform a hair transplant to the bald areas and use this to improve your existing hairs thereafter. Now, does all this sound too complicated for you? Just know this: in many research studies, there has been a 93% success rate, whereby out of this 93%, the hair count in females increased by 55% in women, and 120% for men. That is more than double the number of hairs in men. A good tip is, the laser hair cap treatment can be used in conjunction with our Gen Hair Herbal Hair Care Treatment. And we have seen many of our clients produce results fast when undergoing both treatments in the same period. However, please do not apply our hair care treatment at the same time as the hair helmet. Well, actually, we have not tried that out, but you never know. When low-level laser therapy was first introduced, you had to go to a doctor to get your treatment done. With the revolution of technology, this FDA cleared method has brought the convenience and the low cost to your homes. Usage of the laser hair cap is so easy. Just switch it on and leave it on your head for 25 minutes. The laser hair cap also comes with an auto stop safety function that stops the process upon reaching 25 minutes. To further ensure your safety, the device will not start unless worn over your head, as there are safety sensors within the hair cap. Thus, removing it halfway also causes the helmet to stop working. The mode button here allows you to choose between 4 different modes, from just maintaining your hair at level 4 with blinking lights, all the way to treating seriously thinning scalp conditions at level 1 by having the laser light switch on throughout the 25-minute session. Within the helmet are silicone pads to ensure your comfort, laser lights, infrared lights, and the safety sensor. The build quality of this laser cap is extremely good. However, they are not to be worn during sports or when riding a motorcycle. Cleaning the laser hair cap is extremely easy. A simple microfiber cloth will do the job. And for stubborn stains, simply use a slightly damp cloth to clean it. This is another recommended product by Gen Hair. Once again, we have tested this product ourselves and have seen results from it. I hope to see you attain results from our Gen Hair recommendations. We have many other proven methods on our website for you to explore. And I will see you in our other videos.